Welcome to another episode of Learning. I thank each one of you for watching my videos and encouraging me. Please like my videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. Thank you. We now discuss the solutions of 4 questions from the topic Quadratic Equations that have appeared in the JEE Main Examination held in the January 2025 session. Right. This is the first question. And this question has appeared in the JEE Main exam held on 22nd January 2025 in the morning shift. The given question is the product of all solutions of the equation e power 5 times log x to the base e whole square plus 3, this plus 3 is also in the power, is equal to x to the power of 8 where x greater than 0 is. We are given 4 options here. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We are given the above equation, right, where x greater than 0. We take the logarithms on both sides to the base e. Then you will get 5 times log x to the base e whole square plus 3 multiplied by log e to the base e is 1 is equal to log of x to the power of 8 to the base e. This is 8 times log of x to the base e. Agreed. We put t is equal to log x to the base e. Then the above equation becomes 5t square plus 3 is equal to 8t. This becomes a quadratic equation in t. That is 5t square minus 8t plus 3 is equal to 0. Factorization is shown here. And the factors are 5t minus 3 into t minus 1. And that's equal to 0. This will imply t is equal to 1, 3 by 5. Right. What is t? T is log x to the base e. That comes out to be 1 and 3 by 5. Now, raised to the power of e, taking the exponentials on both sides, this will imply x is equal to e power 1, that is e, and x is equal to e power 3 by 5. So, x is equal to e and x is equal to e to the power of 3 by 5 are the 2 solutions of the given equation. Now, required to find the product of all solutions of the given equation. Now, the product is e multiplied by e power 3 by 5. That is equal to e to the power of 1 plus 3 by 5. That is equal to e to the power of 8 by 5. Right. Now our answer appears against option 3. The answer to this question is option 3. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the given problem, and it is the most simplest and easiest problem. Right. We move on to the next question. Question number 2. This question has appeared in the JEE Main exam held on 23rd January 2025 in the morning shift. And the given question is, if the equation a times b minus c into x square plus b times c minus a multiplied by x plus c times a minus b is equal to 0 has equal roots, we are stressing equal roots, where a plus c is equal to 15 and b is equal to 36 by 5. Then a square plus c square is equal to dash. That is, it is a NAT question, numerical answer type question. Right. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We are given the above quadratic equation, and it is given it has equal roots. Now observe that the sum of the coefficients of this quadratic equation, that is a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b, when you simplify, it comes out to be equal to 0. When the sum of the coefficients is equal to 0, then it will tell you x is equal to 1 is a root of the quadratic equation. Observe that the sum of the coefficients is equal to 0. This will imply x is equal to 1 is a root of the equation. We are also given it has equal roots. Therefore, if one is one of the roots, then the other root is also 1. Right. Now we take the product of the roots. The product of the roots is 1 into 1 is 1 is the product of roots is the constant term by the leading coefficient, that is a into b minus c. So now the product of the roots is 1 into 1 is equal to constant term c into a minus b by the leading coefficient is a times b minus c. Cross multiply, simplify. We will get 2ac is equal to ab plus bc, and 2ac is equal to b, you take common, b times a plus c. That implies 2ac is equal to b value is given 36 by 5 and a plus c value given as 15. Substitute them. Then simplify, you will get 2ac is equal to 108. What is wanted? A square plus c square is wanted. We know a plus c, we know 2ac, we can compute a square plus c square. So now a square plus c square is equal to a plus c whole square minus 2ac. A plus c is 15 square minus 2ac is 108. That is 225 minus 108. And when subtracted, you will get the answer 117. So you have to fill up the blank with 117. The answer to this question is 117, and that is the detailed discussion of this question. It is a simple and straightforward question. Move to the next question. This is the third question. This question has appeared in the JEE Main exam held on 29 January 2025 in the second shift. The given question is, if the set of all A belongs to R, where R is the set of real numbers for which this equation 2x square plus in brackets a minus 5 times x plus 15 is equal to 3a has no real root, is the interval, open interval alpha comma beta, and capital X is the set of all those integers which lie between alpha and beta. Then sigma x square, where sigma runs on all x belongs to capital X, is equal to. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. Here we are given 4 options. Agreed. Now we have the given equation. Let's write down the equation. Call it as the equation 1. Now, given the set of all A belongs to R, for which the above equation 1 has no real root as the open interval alpha comma beta. It has no real roots means all its roots are complex. When the roots of a quadratic equation are all complex roots, when its discriminant is a negative. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac is a negative. That is, the roots are complex. That is, the discriminant is a negative. The discriminant is b square minus 4ac is a negative. b square. B is, in our case, b is a minus 5 whole square minus 4. A is the leading coefficient, that is 2, into c, the constant term 15 minus 3a is less than 0. Simplify. You will get a square plus 14a minus 95 is negative. That implies a plus 19 into a minus 5 is negative. Factorization is very simple. You can do it. Right. Now, from this, a belongs to which set? That's the question. And you are familiar, you will write down straight. But for those students who are not able to write where the A belongs to, I will show you here. That's what you have learned in your earlier classes. This is the product, a plus 19 into a minus 5. That is the product of the factors. And now this is the real number line. And mark minus 19 and 5. So this is minus 19 and this is minus 5. Now to the right of 5, so let's take 6. For example, 6 you take, substitute here. 6 minus 5 positive, 6 plus 19 positive, positive into positive is positive. Therefore, to the right of 5 it is positive. When it is to the right of the 5 it is positive, then it will be negative and it will be positive. So now the question is, where this a plus 19 into a minus 5 is negative in this interval minus 19 to 5. That is the open interval minus 19 to 5. This implies a belongs to the open interval minus 19 comma 5. Right. Now this is the set of all those a for which this equation has no real root is given to be alpha comma beta. Now we got alpha comma beta as minus 19 comma 5. That is, alpha is 19, beta is 5. Thus the set of all a belongs to R for which the above equation 1 has no real root is given to be alpha comma beta. We got the open interval minus 19 to 5. So alpha is minus 19, beta is 5. Now what is to be done? So you have to take the set of capital X as all those integers that lie between minus 19 and 5. That is, all those integers that lie between minus 19 and 5. Who are they? Minus 18, minus 17, etc., etc., minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 5. Up to 5. Now, the sum of the squares of the elements of capital X. So that will be minus 1 square is 1 square, minus 2 square is 2 square, etc., 17 square, 18 square. Yes, sigma x square, x belongs to x, is 1 square plus 2 square plus 18 square. And 0 square is 0, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. The first one is the sum of the squares of the first 18 natural numbers, and its value is given to be n into n plus 1 into 2 n plus 1 by 6, where n is equal to 18. Right. In this case, n into n plus 1 into 2 n plus 1 by 6, where n is 4. Now, when n is equal to 18, it is 18 into 19 into 18 2s are 36 plus 1, 37 by 6. So 18, 19, 37 by 6 plus this one, 4 into 5 into 9 by 6. When you simplify, the first bracket is 2109 and the second bracket is 30. When added, 2139, and look at our options. Our 2139, the answer appears against option 4. And that is the detailed discussion of the solution of this problem. This is also pretty easy question. Right. We move to the fourth question. Right. This is the question that has appeared in JEE Main 29 January 2025 in the morning shift. The given question is the number of solutions of the equation. The product of two factors given. For the first one is 9 by x minus 9 by root x plus 2 in brackets multiplied by 2 by x minus 7 by root x plus 3 in bracket is equal to 0. Is. We have to find out the number of solutions of this equation. We are given 4 options. Right. Now, let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. So, the first product, the first factor multiplied by the second factor is equal to 0. Here we take x greater than 0. Why? Because root x is appearing here. The root x, when you take x greater than 0, then you will get otherwise if x is negative, x cannot be equal to 0. If x is 0, sitting in the denominator is not possible. Therefore, x must be positive. If x is negative, then, root of when x is negative will be complex. So, we are going for the number of real solutions for this. So, we put x greater than 0. Let t is equal to 1 by root x. Then t square will be 1 by x. So, wherever there is 1 by x, write t square. Wherever there is 1 by root x, write t. Then the above one will be 9t square minus 9t plus 2 multiplied by 2t square minus 7t plus 3 is equal to 0. So, that is the one. And for the first one, the factors are known. The factorization is shown here. 9t square minus 9t plus 2. The detailed factorization is given. The factors are 3t minus 2 into 3t minus 1. For the second one, for the second factor, 2t square minus 7t plus 3, factorization is shown in detail, and the factors are t minus 3 into 2t minus 1. So, write down. For the first one, 3t minus 2 into 3t minus 1. For the second one, t minus 1 into 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. Then it will be t is equal to 1 by root x, t is 1 by root x is equal to 2 by 3, correct, 1 by 3, correct, 1 by 2, correct. Now take the reciprocals and square it. X is equal to 3 by 2 whole square, 3 square, 1 square, 2 by 1 whole square, that is 2 square. That is x is equal to 9 by 4, 9, 1, 4. So, how many roots you got? The number of solutions are 4 in number. 4 in number. Thus, the number of solutions of the equation is 4. So, our answer 4 appears against option 3. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 3. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of this problem. It's very easy question, not only an easy question, very, very easy question. I am sure that you have understood the solutions of these 4 problems. Thank you for watching this video now. Please like my videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. We will meet once again in another episode of learning. Enjoy learning mathematics. I wish you all the best. Thank you.